Hi everyone, we are Meryl, Renbin, and Stuti, and for our 6894 data visualization final project, we created a web application for visualizing happy moments. So why exactly are we doing this? Well, we're all living in very challenging times due to COVID-19, and our team felt that it was important to maintain positivity and share happiness during such difficult times. We really wanted people to get inspiration from others' happy moments in an easy and friendly way. And so we used the data set HappyDB, which is a corpus of 100,000 plus happy moments collected by researchers at Meganon Labs. The researchers there used Amazon Mechanical Turk to collect responses to the question, "What made you happy today?" Our first and foremost goal is to capture words that people use in order to describe happiness from the data set. What words are commonly used and what categories do they correspond to? Our second goal was to answer the question, what makes different people happy based on their demographics? And finally, we really wanted to immerse the user into our web application and get them to think, what makes them happy on a day-to-day basis? I'll now go into a demo. When the user first comes to our site, they're greeted with the question, what made you happy today? Like the participants of the study. They're then asked to reflect on the past 24 hours and write down a happy moment. They can then choose a category corresponding to that moment. They're then asked to enter their demographic information, and they'll see their happy moment display on this note. Underlined words in the happy moment correspond to words that are keywords used to describe all happy moments. The user is also presented with a statement that tells them the percentage of people in their demographics that shared a happy moment in the same category as them. We then tell the user a little bit about the dataset to maintain data transparency. And we also let them know who actually makes up our data. So they can hover over these icons to see what demographics submit the most happy moments. So if I hover over country, we see that most happy moments are submitted by people in the US. We then show the user a word cloud to show them what kinds of words people use to write about their happy moments. So they can pick any topic that they like, and they'll see a word cloud appear. And so we can see that the word dog is used a lot in the category of pets. So if they hover over the word dog, they can see its frequency within the corpus, and they can also see a sample moment using that word within the chosen category. We then go on to asking the user what makes them happy from day to day. So here they can rank the categories that bring them the most happiness from most to least happy. And then we also ask them to choose 5 words from this word cloud that spark joy in them. We then see happy moments that correspond to the words that they chose, organized by the categories that make them the most happy. We then allow the user to explore happy moments from our dataset on their own. So they can hover over all of these categories to see an example that corresponds to those categories. By clicking on it, they can filter by that category and see happy moments. They can also filter here by demographics to get a more specific happy moment filtering for that category. There are a few insights that we derive from our work. The first is understanding what words people use in order to describe happiness. And this is done mainly by the word cloud section, which displays the most frequently used words organized by topic. Our second insight is seeing how, based on demographics, how people really change the way that they describe their happy moments. And this can be seen via our data exploration system, our data exploration section, in which you can filter by demographics and see happy moments change real time. We'd like to thank everyone who helped us with our final project, especially the 6894 staff and all the participants of our user studies who really influenced the designs that we made for our web application.